What our team gathered individually from our extensive research will be presented here. How exactly are global ethics related to conscious capitalism? Jill says, through our research, conscious capitalism is an improved way of doing business which facilitates social needs and communities in addition to standard business goals with a global ethical impact. Taylor says, the rise of globalization has enabled individuals to desire connection. Conscious capitalism gives companies the opportunity to connect with its stakeholders all around the world more closely and respectively. Bonnie says, understanding the maximum profits at the cost of Earth's well-being is harmful to the longevity of a business. If there are no consumers, then there is no business. Dana says, the ethical plan to success in any business is to, quote, do unto others as you would have done unto you, end of quote. Cecil says, everyone's plan is the business plan. Conscious capitalism and globalization have redefined what the success of an organization looks like. Only by serving all stakeholders will value increase within the community, no matter the distance. Clearly, as displayed here, it is apparent that there is a strong connection between conscious capitalism and global ethics.